Dear students, welcome to this MOOC. MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Course. In this MOOC, we shall be providing you a variety of multimedia enriched e-content, activities and assessments in a very learner friendly manner so that you are able to understand the various topics of this course very well. Before you start this MOOC, you must ensure that you know the prerequisites for this course and qualify on your own a pre-MOOC test which we have designed based on these prerequisites. Let me now tell you briefly about the structure and main features of this MOOC. The entire MOOC has been divided into various weeks so that you can plan your learning in a very logical and systematic manner. It is advised that you must actively participate in the various components of this MOOC, that too regularly on a weekly basis. Development of all the components of this MOOC is a massive teamwork of eminent academicians ensuring high quality. For every weekly schedule, you are first advised to watch 2 to 3 videos assigned to you per week. Then you must read the learning material provided as e-text and also go through other content in the Learn More section. After this, you are advised to carry out the various activities like taking part in the discussion forums, visiting the related web links which we have provided for you, attempting crosswords, etc., earmarked for each week. After this, to test your knowledge of what you have learned during this week, you must attempt the quiz in the assessment section for that particular week. You can attempt this quiz as many number of times as you like, and there will be feedback for the correct as well as incorrect option to help you in self-assessment and more learning. This schedule must be followed regularly for all the forthcoming weeks. Let me add here that in between, after completion of a logical and systematic collection of topics, there will be a self-study week in which there shall be formal assessments which shall be graded and counted for qualifying this particular MOOC. In between, there shall also be assignments provided which you must submit in time, and at the end there shall be assessments covering the entire syllabus of this MOOC, followed by proctored examination which shall be notified at appropriate time. I wish you all the best in this very interesting self-learning experience. Please remember, we shall always be there with you to provide you support for any problems you face. The MOOC coordinator along with junior faculty as tutor shall always be available to solve your queries which you can post in the discussion forums, or you can send them to us through mail which shall be notified to you soon. We would be very happy to know your experience after the completion of this MOOC in the form of your feedback, which will help us enhance the quality of this MOOC further. Thank you.